Hello and welcome to the May 26, 2023 episode of Watching the Tape. Do you know that feeling you get when you realize that one of your memberships includes something that you wouldn't have expected? For example, let's say you belong to a fitness club and you generally just work out on your own. You often walk by the group fitness classes. They look like they're having fun, they're getting a great workout, but you figure it's an add-on service and you really don't want to pay for it. But then one day you find out that it's included in your membership. Hey, maybe next time you'll jump into one of those classes. Or how about the day you realized that rental car insurance is included in your primary auto policy and or your credit card? I still get a sense of satisfaction every time I decline rental car coverage. Let's bring this back to wealth management. I want to share the results of an industry survey that's actually a couple years old, but I saw it pop up again recently. The takeaway from this survey is actually the opposite of how you feel when you find out that an additional service is included in your membership or subscription. Specifically, it highlights the gap between wealth management services expected and wealth management services received. Let's take a look. By the way, this research was conducted by the Spectrum Group out of Chicago. I'm not going to spend much time on each of these categories. I'm going to quickly run through them to give you a flavor. First off, financial planning. 96% of survey respondents indicated they expected this service from their financial advisor. I would think it should be closer to 100%. In any case, 70% of respondents claimed they were receiving this as part of their financial advisory relationship. Next, wealth transfer while still alive. 96% expect it, only 24% are getting it. Investment management, 95% expect it, 88% are getting it. That's encouraging. Trust services, 94% expect it, only 10% are getting it. Estate planning for after your death, 93% expect it, only 22% are getting it. And finally, tax planning, 92% expect it, and only 25% are getting it. I was surprised by these results and frankly a little disappointed. Again, it's an industry survey. This is not for HFG Trust. I would hope that we'd fare much better if the same questions were asked of our clients. It would seem like a great opportunity to highlight HFG Trust's wealth management wheel of services, but if I cover all of these, it'll start to sound like a commercial and nobody likes watching commercials. I'll just highlight the big four: financial planning, investment management, tax planning, and estate planning. If you are not receiving an adequate level of service on any of these fronts, call me right away. If you want, or at a minimum, let's make a point of discussing this at our next meeting. None of these carry add-on charges. They're all included in your relationship. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Have a nice Memorial Day weekend. We'll see you in 2 weeks.